Gear up. 25%. 50%. 50%.
Alright, it's flying through.
Speed limit disengaged.
There you go.
Not enough speed, but oh well.
Do a figure eight.
I don't know how to do that.
Horizontal.
I don't know how to do that.
Do a horizontal figure eight.
I'm being funny. I know how to do it. It's,
Cuban eight's the hard one. How about our 8 on pylon? What a pro.
50%.
When I've had my drone out here and went to 400 feet, it's geofenced at 400. It got awful small. It's a pretty big drone.
Gear up. 50%. 50%. G limit disengaged. Fifth 0. 25%. 25%. 50%.
The wind does way to nothing.
0.
That was nice yesterday, but overcast. Danny knew Larry Budden that I did my multi-motor with. They came out with a requirement for ELTs, and I bought
50%.
to run it.
Gear up.
He bought it down. Like M600.
Hey, Ray,
Yeah, man.
that gal I saw some with
50%.
with 320s. They probably got
Gear
a
down.
321.
Landing flaps.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we can see who it is though.
50%. Gear up.
Delta Airlines.
Gear down. 0 throttle.
Oh,
Reverse full. 25-1. Timer expired. Land immediately. Land immediately.
C5.
50%.
oh gosh.
Stop you. They'll stop you in the middle.
And you went and got that card now.
A couple of weeks ago.
20-0 throttle.
They had to take my fingerprint for that. But I was selling something.
All right.
What for? They said it was stolen.
Well, since I got it, so
0 25%. 0 throttle. 25%. 0 throttle.
my son.